Welcome, my brother and sisters of Nigeria, especially Edo State. This man, when we say we vote for the Obaseki, na very nice man. Na gift to Edo State. So we don't fancy governor will be like Obaseki, but they very rare. They don't come. Unless I'm Bemudia and Ambrose Ali, that would definitely during that time. But him when he comes so this one are real bonge. This one too much. We are really look at him. And he promised he go change Edo State to the state will be say they never failed me before. And all those things now they do so. So brothers and sisters, anywhere when I see people to use money scandalize this guy, they say he not do this, not do this. But you all give him time. But now only bad luck when we come get say this man not get enough time when you to work for that Edo State as he talk. Enough time not there. We'll check on about 2 years plus or 1 year plus or 9 remain when you don't finish. If not, for change that Edo State to Obodo Ibo. Me when they talk close, so me at the Europe. I know what with the game for here for Europe. I mean, if from here, I be like person with this skyscraper. The for skyscraper they look grand. Now so me dey for Europe from here they look Edo State. They look Obaseki what they do. Cause all things done rough. Everything does spoil. Everything does spoil before you come. For the look of aspect, in they try to do everything little by little before everything will come back to normality. Now I be the thing. He know they talk. Once they do anything, he know they talk. Anything when they do, he they try the focus. You don't want me people he would come out for. Me people call the video and me they come out for video. Want it. It will be 1 minute they do one. But based on say what if it happen, I make people they carry video, go the video or a project when they do when they say in they do when they want finish. Call they come out for social media. In a very nice man. We will enjoy this man. This man will really work for Edo. But this man, what he they talk from out, say he not come control Edo. He come work for Edo with as would say me he come work. Say na work he come work. Other people they feel say other people they come, they call they control Edo people. But he say he come work for Edo in a servant. I say in the talk. And for that matter, he can still remember people when he say he leave legacy down for Edo State. Who be the people who leave legacy down for Edo State? Before Ogbemudia die, he carry troop of people come first go Ogbemudia house. You go ask Ogbemudia how you see this Edo State, how you felt it do this Edo State when we say that your turn of that time everywhere they good. Now that one come tell him everything. See as be like say pa. He give you kudos. In one man you still do as you now still do or you go do part because people they happy when we say picking when you born, you will still you will still better pass you. Now make how they do different things when you try to do. You want do beneath so that people will not say he will feel people do when we say you will feel make that beneath. It comes from there. Remember Ambrose Ali. But during that time when Ambrose Ali they say Ambrose Ali na so is appropriate of funds and so he died for his neck. This man come carry from Benin come go Ekpoma, go check it out, do everything. Because he said this man, Edo they kill this man, the Buhari now he settled this man that time. Say this man not get anything when he do wrong. People when they chop money now, they don't chop times 10 times 100 based on the one when he do. Because he not chop money. Now money when they say me to do these things, you go use and to go do the other one, do the other thing when we say if you say you favor Edo State. Now the president that time consider me they go bring go arrest her. Before Gbemudia call, before Okada Benedict call remove her for his side G. Based on person we say he stay for Europe now. All those Nigeria G person know as he be. I can make that guy come sick. He can't die. Obaseki can't go in village, go in town, go say make the chain or one thing when they put, the satchel when they put for a neck, when they go remove am. I can make us know. I will come know say this man na person when they remember people when be say he leave legacy down. So that kind of person I go be before you still come on, you go one man still leave legacy down for Benin City, what they call Edo State. I make we all so we can make we rise. What did this guy they talk and what he they do? Na person when they look for front they do. And they see answer one certain time when you don't win. You want me to be president? He say no, you don't want. Say he want me say after the governorship, it don't end, the turn don't end. Say he want me go back to school, go study. I saw you talk am. He no need money like that, but he get, but he no value money. All what he value make he people Edo State, make everybody dey okay. How he dey do? So na so the thing be, brother and sister. For this one, na God gift. They bring am for us. See the water storm project when they do for Edo State now. When they don't award the contract, give this old devil man Oshomole 30 billions. Ask me where the money for come out. They chop all the money. They're not using to do anything. You got away the construct. The drainage when they construct, it not reach 50,000. He share all the old money, give boys. Curtis and Agberu made they chop the money. People who don't get tendency to reach for Benin, all of them could be multi-millionaire. Well, Baseki want it and they say no. Baseki no, where you want pass. See person when they give them food. Say Obaseki no will mind them because Obaseki not do all those kind of useless Agberu thing. Now it can be the problem. So what are they talking to people? More I beg, me everybody, me will support, me will they pray. Who not get money to support, but we do pray because prayer still they work. We will they pray for Obaseki me for get my to do everything we want to.